Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is array different assoc. So that's a PHP array function. So what it does basically, it gives us the difference between like one or more array. So it will compare first array with the all the other array that are present like as second arrays. Basically it compares array against arrays and return the difference. So let's see this by example. So let me define first array, let's say f array equals to array. I'm going to define a key value pair. A goes to pink, B goes to green, C goes to black. Then define second array. Array, let's say X goes to purple, then Y goes to blue, then print array difference and pass array 1 and array 2. Echo pre, and let's go and check in browser, refresh. So all three value is coming for first array. So right now you can see there is nothing common between first array and second array. So let's change by black. So now let's go and refresh. So you can see first array and second array is having same value, but their key is different. First one is having C, second is having Y. So if I'll change Y to C and then again check in browser, refresh, now you can see C with black value is gone. So key value pair is checked here. So now let's define a single value. Let's say string value. Let's say red without any key value pair, and also define red in second array as well. So let me just print first array, give a break in between, then print second array. So now let's go and refresh in browser. So you can see red is not coming in array difference as it's having zero key for both first and second array. So let me define white color before red. So write white and let's see in browser. Now you can see zero key is for white and one is having red value. So that's why in array difference red is coming as it's having different values for both array. So now let's see uppercase and lowercase. So let's change C to capital C, and in second array that's in smaller. So let's go and refresh. So you can see capital C is coming in array difference. So it is case sensitive. So now let's check for numeric value. So remove white and after that pass, let's say 1, and in second array let's take as a string 1. So now refresh in browser. So 1 is not coming as it's having same key value pair, so that's why it's not coming. So let's change that to 0 1. Now refresh. So you can see now 1 is coming. So now let's compare with third array. So define t array, pass value, let's say 1 only, and let's go and pass this in array different assoc as well. So let's go and refresh in browser. In refresh in browser you can see 1 is coming as it's having different key value pair. Array 3 is having 0 1 and array 1 is having 1 1. So now let's just remove 1 from end and write it at first place, and also print t array. So let's go and see in browser, refresh. So now you can see 1 is not coming as it's having 0 1 and 0 1 key value pair. So let's just go and see with another key value pair. So in array third, just pass, let's say B goes to green, and refresh in browser. Now you can see green is gone as it's present in third array. So let's change green to green too and let's see. So now it's coming in array different assoc. So in this video, I have shown you how to use array different assoc. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.